say hi. My name is Bill. Or Joe.
Hi, my name is
Wait,
Joe.
wait. Ready? Go.
Hi, my name is Joe.
Do it. I work in a chocolate factory. One day, I was delivering chocolate. And I was on my bike. Wait. Wait. Okay. And I had to go faster, 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 faster. Northerners! Okay, ready? Shaggy dog. Shaggy dog. I can't do it. Backwards.
Say that.
And then I'm a big dork. My name's Dawson. And I'm all eyebrows and forehead. Now I'm gone.
My butt is fine.
Oh, even better. Even better.
What was big? What was big? What? What did you want to do?
I don't know. Oh, my butt just vibrated again. I feel like we're in prison with all the stripes behind us. And I have an arrow in the middle of my forehead. Wait. Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Wait, ready? Can't really see. Oh, there it is. So what are we having for dinner? You don't know? I think we're having chicken, zucchini, and rice. Dawson, you have something growing out of your lip.
What?
I don't know, what is it? It was a big black thing. Yep. There it is again.
Oh, it's a mole.
Is it eating you? Is it like the hungry squid monster that's gonna get your face?